Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're planting up pots and containers now that are going to flower from now right through until mid-October. In the centre we have a lovely Abutilon. This is Abutilon. I'll show you just an individual one. This is Abutilon red trumpet. And Abutilon red trumpet is just a little small tree for the centre of pots. Out in beds if you want as well, but really colourful, just starting to open now. Some of them are a little bit more open here. Non-stop flowers right through until at least mid-October. Height thereabouts, I suppose, about 50-55 centimetres high. Nice full head on top, hanging, lots of hanging bells. We're going to plant the base of the plant as well, and in the pot we have SWELL WELL compost. SWELL WELL compost is a very important compost. It got 12 to 14 months slow release fertiliser and a wetting agent, all the major and minor nutrients you need. Important to use a good compost. If you don't use a good compost, you won't have success. There's some terrible compost out there at the moment. We're going to plant left and right of the plant two Petunia Vista Jazzberry. And the Vista range of petunias is a really strong range of petunias that will flower non-stop until the middle of October. They're wonderful in hanging baskets as well. About 3 of those would fill up a hanging basket very easily. So the idea is we have one either side, just going to spill down over the edge of the pot itself. Smother the pot, and this pot will look about twice the size it actually is when they get settled in. So we're going to fill in right at the back and spill down over the front. Right at the very front of the lovely Abutilon, we're going to plant a million bells, a lovely variety called Evening Star, and it's just purple with those yellow stripes, just starting to flower now. It'll hang down right over the front of the pot, again perfect in hanging baskets and window boxes, non-stop colour right through until October time. So that's our lovely million bells Evening Star, our two Vista, and that's Vista Jazzberry either side, right through until mid-October now. These will start to flower in another few weeks and keep going right through until mid-October. The gorgeous Abutilon for a little bit of height in the centre. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.